So for today's trade of the day, we're going to take a look at the Dow and the S4 Accelerator strategy. Some great opportunities, some great movement actually over the last week or so, and a couple of trades that I want to go through, starting off with this short trade back here on the evening from the 28th of July. It's a really nice short trade, and the trade's triggered for a number of reasons. Number one, we're looking at this line here. It's turning from green to red, suggesting a downturn in prices. This line, what we call the vector average line, it is slightly slowed down on this time frame because of the 4-hour chart. You have to desensitize it because of overnight trading, the 2 a.m. bar. You can often sort of confuse it and lead to some sort of erroneous opportunities. So we slow it down a little bit, tends to find much better, much more consistent trades. And here, from the 28th of July, as I said here, we get our short trade, a potential opportunity. Then you've got to consider if this is a short trade you want to take. And there's a number of things going for it. You look on the left-hand side there, you can see the daily arrow pointing down, weekly arrow pointing up. So you've got the momentum of the daily trend in the direction of this short trade. You've also got this intermediate line. It's orange or it's blue. When it's orange, it's suggesting a downtrend on the intermediate trend. When it's blue, it's suggesting an uptrend. So, and actually, this is probably the most powerful trend marker for the 4-hour chart trading. So, we want to be trading in line with that direction. We also have a lower high, so it's a descending chart pattern too. So there's a number of things to like about this opportunity. And whilst it's choppy, it does go on to lead to a big fall. Now, the average true range, the typical range of a candlestick is around 145 points, and that's about what you're looking for. There's about a 400-point fall before the market started to then move back higher again. So a really nice short opportunity. And very, very profitable indeed over a couple of days there. That then moves us then into a buying opportunity. You can see the S4 arrow, that's the foundation strategy kicking in for our new traders. Once you then move and start to understand some of the other things, you can start to pick up more opportunities looking at the accelerators too. So this is an accelerator and a standard S4 trade. Buy on the close of this bar, 26573, and wow, what a rally that we've had. We're up about 800 points since that original buy trade, 700 or 800 points there. And what gave us the confidence to take this one? I've already said it before, this intermediate line here, we trade predominantly in that direction. That is probably the most powerful trend marker that we have on the 4-hour chart that we use to determine confidence. So we've got an upswing in prices. Is that an upswing we want to take? We're following the intermediate trend. We're following the weekly trend. There's a lot to like about this opportunity as well. So it's a lovely short and it's a lovely buy trade. Would all of our students still be long? No, you would have taken a lot of profits by now. Typically, top of the price channel, average true range. These are good marker points for targets. But you know what? If you've gone for the top of the channel, that's about a 300-point profit. And that's a really nice one to take as well. And in terms of the stop loss, you can go with the aggressive stop here. It's plenty of width there. That's about 270 points or so. So it's just better than 1-to-1 on that opportunity. So a nice profit. If you're risking, 1.5% on the trade, that's about a 1.6, 1.7% profit in 48 hours or so. So a nice trade there, nice couple of opportunities there trading the Dow. We've looked at loads of them lately, looking at the euro dollar, looking at gold. Some of these markets are following extremely strong trends, which is a great way to trade as long as you're able to identify those trends. Now, what we have here at Trend Signal is 4 very simple markers. Number one, what's the intermediate trend telling us? What's the daily trend? What's the weekly trend? And we can use those ascending, descending chart patterns too. It doesn't have to be that complicated if you can break it down to what you really, really need. Anyway, everybody, have a good day's trading, and we'll catch you next time.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.